Digital Maker CIC were asked by Aberdeen Grammar to work with their S3s for their project week. We proposed an exciting and engaging physical computing workshop run over 3 days. We gave a short presentation setting up the context of the class, what physical computing is and how we can use inputs and outputs on a BBC microbit. The class were given microbits to play with. With little guidance, they were asked to explore and play with them to see what they could create. After this short session, the teams were asked to give presentations on their findings. The pupils explored the A/B buttons, the accelerometer, light sensor, compass and Bluetooth radio communications on the microbits, controlling the LED arrays and other microbits with great success. We then added the Kittronic pin breakout boards along with helpful recipe sheets, giving instructions on how to wire up external inputs and outputs and how to code them using JavaScript extensions. One team made a Morse code communication device between two microbits. The microbit's ease of use and ability to add exciting and useful sensors and outputs inspired the pupils to create interesting applications of the hardware and software. At the end of the first day's class, we ran a short brainstorming session in groups to create ideas for their Heath Robinson-inspired machines that they would build over the next 2 days.